Huh? Motorized bike, right?
All right, so here we got a guy rolling up on the cops. The cops are like, "What the hell are you doing? You've got a big old mountain of a bike in the freaking bike lane. Not okay." And the other guy with his hand on his hips, I don't know if he's got hemorrhoids and he doesn't want to move. He's trying to look stoic, but you know, these are some badass cops with some cool vests. Don't mess with them.
Fuck you, bro. I didn't realize Chris was like falls the fuck out. Oh shit, really? Really? What the fuck?
Okay, this is my footage. I was
Hey, I'm Officer Mark from State Parks. The reason we're contacting you is it's illegal to have electric bikes like this.
And the cops pulled us over and they gave us a hard time. And one of the people is not the most attractive looking woman in the world, got a lot of hate. She got a lot of hate on the video.
Okay.
We're looking at it?
Yeah.
License plates for it?
Anyway, they did not want us to, they wanted us to either have somebody come pick us up or walk our bikes back up. And it was like a 15-mile ride. So that wasn't going to happen.
No.
Check it out.
I mean, it makes sense. I'm with you. We have just never seen signs.
No, there was no signs from where we started. Nobody said nothing. We didn't even get no stink faces.
Yeah. Well, this has a throttle, so it's technically like a moped. You have an M2 license for it?
It's not. It's
No.
not registerable.
Okay.
Like I said, it makes sense what you're saying.
That's why I said
Yeah.
check it out.
I mean, we're not idiots. Like I hear you.
Number right here, for, you know, like to prove it's mine, I guess.
So CBC 406 says that these are mopeds, which means they do have to be registered. Right? You do have to have your M2 license. Okay, and you have to.
Is that a motorcycle license?
Yeah.
M2, yes.
That's what I have.
Yeah. Well, you have an M1, so.
Well, I don't know. I don't know. It's a motorcycle license.
Okay. And then you have to have your display of a license.
Yeah.
Do you know if you can get these registered?
What?
Do you know if you can get these registered as like
You have
mopeds?
to.
No,
Yeah.
can you?
Yeah.
Is there
I
any
believe
reason why
so.
they didn't tell us that when we bought them? Because I mean, all these are different, and nobody said nothing to us.
You're supposed to know the law.
Yeah,
I'm not arguing. I'm not arguing with you.
I
I'm
think
just
it's because
asking
it's a
questions.
new thing, you know. They want to make money,
Oh,
so
my
they're
God.
just
Right.
pumping them out.
Okay.
It's a new law for
This
us.
is
We're
not
pretty
class
much
3
banning
e-bike.
all
You guys do
electric
not
bikes
have
in all state
operable
parks.
Yeah, because there's a lot of mountain bikes that don't look like.
Exactly.
Unless you know, you don't know.
What?
To be riding the street like this, you need a license plate.
Okay.
Depends on how many watts that is too.
Okay, it's 750.
This one I like because the cop literally like rides right up next to him. And he's like, "What the hell are you doing? You can't be riding this. You need to get the frick off the road." So, okay, this guy's just riding along, having a merry good time. And oh shit, looks out to the left and he sees a cop. And he's just doing a wheelie. And the cop comes up to him and goes, "You know why I pulled you over, right?" And he goes, "Yeah, I know exactly why you pulled me over." So no surprise here, but you know, the guy's probably gonna get a ticket.
Hey,
So no surprise is why I'm stopping you, right?
not a surprise at all.
Okay.
No.
Is this off?
Yes, it's switched off.
Okay.
Keys out.
Do you have a driver's license?
I do.
ID?
All right, here we have a couple guys riding along, and then all of a sudden they look to the left and they're like, "Oh shit, a cop!" And the cop's asking them like, "Do you have a license? How many watts is it? You can't be riding that here." And it looks like they get away with it, but that kind of sucks. Your heart skips a beat when you look over and you see a freaking cop 3 feet from you, right? And they're never smiling. They're never saying, "How's your day?" Doesn't happen. This one's from a girl. God bless her.
Hi.
Is this an e-bike?
Yeah.
You can't ride down the middle of the road.
Oh, okay. Well,
Do you have your ID on you?
an e-bike for ID?
ID? Yep.
I don't have my ID on
You're a
me.
vehicle on the highway. You don't have to have a driver's license, but you have to have ID for you. Yep.
I have to have my ID on me.
Yep. You're a vehicle on the highway.
She's kind of playing dumb, like, I didn't know I couldn't ride this here. Yes, it's a SUR. I didn't even know it was a SUR. What's a SUR? You know, she's kind of playing it dumb. All right, these guys are riding along, and then they see these cops out to the right. It says that they're a police department, but it looks kind of like rent-a-cops to me, mall cops. And they have a little interaction, and there's this moment right here, like a hezzy in basketball, where they stop and they're like, "Shit, maybe we should just take off." But they don't. They stay and they engage the cops. But yeah, there's that moment where they're like, "Shit, we could just leave. They would never catch us, right?" All right, this last clip, I don't quite get it. The cops are like having fun. The guy's riding, he comes up on these rent-a-cops on bikes, and they're having fun. They're having like a good conversation. They're talking about politics and the weather. I don't get it. These are like the coolest cops in America. I don't get it, but I don't know. I figured I'd end on this one. So again, thanks to everybody who whose footage I used, I didn't really ask most of them. So